It sounded like you look beautiful. You're okay. Your dress looks beautiful. You're okay. You're okay. Just take a deep breath. You look good.
I can't believe I'm marrying you.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth.
On cold winter nights, love is warm. It lies between you and lives and breathes and makes funny noises. Love wakes you up all hours of the night with its needs. It needs to be fed so it will grow and stay healthy. Love doesn't like being left alone for long, but come home and it's always happy to see you.
The most remarkable moment in life is when you meet the person who makes you feel complete, the person who makes the world a beautiful and magical place, the person with whom you share a bond so special that it transcends normal relationships and becomes something so pure and so wonderful that you can't imagine spending another day of your life without them. For Richard, that happened about 20 years ago when he met me and we became best friends.
That's what you were right.
But in all reality, about 12 years ago, Richard met Sarah, who was pretty wonderful too.
Don't touch anyone's hair.
Babe, there's this movie called The Adjustment Bureau. The storyline is two people meet and inevitably sparks fly. However, the Bureau predetermines their path and decides they aren't meant to be. Through trials and tribulations, they keep finding each other again and again. I'd like to think that our love story is a lot like this. I've traveled all over the world and you've had your own adventures. We have experienced so much together and so much separately. It's so funny to think the whole time you were right in front of me.
Love like we never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
There's one thing that I can conclude since knowing Rick is that he chooses to live life in the fast lane. Whether that be on the sports field or on the highways of Vermont, where I'm sure the state police are happy he's living in New Hampshire. But all jokes aside, Rick really did try to slow things down when he first met Sarah, and he did.
Like yesterday. My little girl Sarah was helping me plant the Christmas trees just in the backyard there.
and here we are now. And you're married to a great guy, Richard. And it can't be that bad because you wore a Packer shirt at a Packer game. Oh yeah, all you Packer fans. Yeah.
Time flies when you get it right, so hold on tight to me.
Raise your glasses, everyone, and let's have a toast to my grown-up little girl and her favorite Packer fan. Good luck. I love you.
All of these moments, all of them, and many more, have led me to the unwavering belief that these two are truly as close to a perfect match as any earthly human couple could be.
Sarah, I had always hoped that we would be standing here together. I wasn't sure if it would happen, especially after the first time that I texted you. You replied, "Hi, question mark." I didn't think that I had a chance. Since then, we have always compared our relationship to the movie The Adjustment Bureau, where our paths would cross several more times over the years after that, and it never seemed to be the right time until it finally was. With you, I'm able to be myself, free of judgment, as long as everything that I say and do is genuinely me. I am able to share and show you every side and emotion of myself, knowing that it will stay between us because of the trust and love that we share. I promise to continue to support you and encourage you as you chase your dreams in the way that you have for me. I promise to be ready with a beer in hand, standing by the counter with a shoulder to lean on after you've had a long day at work. I promise to continue to do the little things in your life that make you so happy and appreciative. And last, I promise to love you with all my heart until we are old and gray.
I want to promise you a few things, but not just for this moment, but my promises for our whole lives. I promise to live a life of constant adventure with you and our future family and children. I promise to always keep you on time without leaving your socks out. I promise to love you during the hard and the good times. Most importantly, listen, I promise I will continue to let you think you're the funniest person. So, for the people who have had the pleasure to know you, know that a simple promise isn't enough for you. It's a swear in our friendship that truly seals the deal. For that reason, Richie, I swear in our friendship, I will love you and stand by your side forever and always.
I give you this ring as a symbol of my love, my faith and our strength together,
and my covenant to learn and grow with you.
and my covenant to learn and grow with you.
By the power vested in me by the state of Vermont, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Family and friends, it is with great happiness that I introduce the newlyweds.